Churachandpur Doctors Association has condemned the intrusion of security forces inside the PC nursing home on August 15, alleging security excesses by Central Force personnel. In a press note, the association has maintained that hospital is a place for treating the sick and ailing. Basic human decency dictates that sick patients be allowed to receive the medical treatment they require. The right to life and access to necessary medical care cannot simply be disregarded under any circumstances. It further asserted that dragging a sick patient from a hospital bed, particularly when doing so, could jeopardize the patient's health or interrupt necessary treatment. It further maintained that the act of security forces are not only inhuman but also raises serious legal and constitutional concerns.